So student, let's start with the second part of the configuration where we will set our Java home, Maven home and path variable in the system environment variable setup. So for that we need to search control panel. So once you type control, it will open this one. Select control panel, go to the system and security. In under system and security, click on system. So once you click this default window open. Here you have to click on advanced system setting. Once you click, this small window will pop up in which you can click on the advanced tab. Under advanced tab you will find environment variable tab. Once you click it, it will open it. So what you have to do, as I said, if you are first time user, you have to enter these entry. So how will you do that? Here you will find new. Now don't do edit, don't do delete anything. If you delete anything, your system will not restart. So be careful, do not delete a already existing entry. So what you have to do, you have to click on new. Once you click on new, this small window will open. So you have to type java underscore home, and in java underscore home you have to set the path of your installer. So in your path of installer, go to the program files as we discussed earlier. Inside that program file java, and go to the jdk. Under jdk, just copy this path, and what you have to do, just copy it here. Okay, so you can see I already did a java home configuration here. So I have already mentioned it. So you have to click on new, set java underscore home. If you are first time user, set the correct path till jdk 1.8. don't go further into it. Okay, then it will show you your entry here. Same way, you have to click on new. Here you have to mention maven underscore home and the path where you extracted your maven setup. So here we extracted our maven setup. Copy this okay, till apache maven parent folder, and then go it here and paste it, and okay. Once you're done with okay, you can see the entry here. Okay, so now we're done with the two environment setup. One is java underscore home and another one is maven underscore home. So make sure your path should be till bin folder, not inside bin, till bin. Okay, so this is your actual path. Now let's move to the path. As we discussed, we have to do three configuration. One java home, we already did it. Maven, we already set up. Now path. So go to the path section, open it in edit mode. Be careful student, do not touch any entry in the path variable, otherwise your system may not reboot. Okay, so go, open it in edit mode, click on edit, no, click on new. So it will here show you here new, and then go to the jdk till bin. Now this time till bin. Earlier we set in jdk underscore home till jdk 1.8. Now in path we have to go deep into the bin folder. Okay, so enter it here. Same way, new, you have to mention your apache maven till bin folder. Okay, yes, and say okay, your configuration done. So I already having this configuration, so I am deleting these entries. Okay, so as I said, your configuration is done. So we are done with the configuration. Now what we will do in our next lecture, we will open the Eclipse and creating our project and try to execute the test cases. So how will you know your configuration done successfully. So once you're done with this configuration, system environment variable configuration, you have to open the command prompt, cmd, type cmd. So here you can see command prompt. Once you open the command prompt, here you have to type java c, c for compiler, space hyphen version, and then press enter. Once you type the java c space hyphen version, it will show you Java compiler version, which means it has installed successfully, which means your environment variable setup done successfully. Now same way we have to check whether Maven is Maven setup done correctly or not. So mvn for Maven space hyphen version, and then enter. So once you enter this, it will show you Apache Maven, the version of the Maven, and the Java version which this Maven is using, and the path of the GRE. So which means we are successfully done with the Maven configuration as well. So it's done, guys. Let's meet in the next lecture. Thank you.